Ever wondered how getting something for free could change the world of crypto? Welcome to the realm of airdrops, where free tokens not only grab your attention, but can also make you an active part of a burgeoning digital community. Airdrops in the crypto world are like those surprise gift bags at parties. Everyone loves them, and they create a buzz that gets everyone talking. Let's kick off our journey through some of the most notable airdrops in the Tone ecosystem, starting with NCoin. While airdrops were already part of the Tone landscape, NCoin truly turned the game on its head. It set a new precedent by introducing a game-changing mechanism where users were rewarded directly through airdrops. This event didn't just open doors, it transformed how airdrops could engage and expand a community. Moving forward, we encountered dogs, which, despite testing the network's capacity with its high demand, underscored the urgent need for scalable blockchain solutions. And we certainly can't overlook Catizen, which brought a fresh wave of interactivity by rewarding users for their participation, morphing passive spectators into devoted community members. But the real game changer came with Hamster Combat's massive airdrop. Imagine this: 131 million tokens distributed seamlessly using something called mintless Jeton technology. This tech marvel allowed the distribution to millions without network lags and at the cost of less than $1. Now that's efficiency. This landmark event didn't just solidify Ton's place in the crypto market, it showcased the blockchain's readiness for even bigger and broader scale deployments in the future. Why should you care about airdrops though? For users, it's like hitting a mini lottery. Free assets that could potentially grow in value, making you more than just a bystander in the project's journey. For the projects, it's an explosive strategy to amplify user activity, engagement, and visibility. 3 pillars vital for the sustained growth of any platform in the highly competitive crypto space. As we gaze into the future, airdrops are pegged to be a cornerstone in the development of decentralized finance and Web3 within the Ton ecosystem. They break down barriers to entry, attract fresh faces to the crypto scene, and facilitate the smooth integration of blockchain technologies into our daily lives. All this points towards a trend that might just lead to the mainstream adoption of cryptocurrencies. So, are you ready to dive into the next wave of airdrops? Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, the next big airdrop might just be the opportunity you've been waiting for to get more involved in the digital economy. Keep your eyes peeled and your wallets ready. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.